when your kitchen looks like this. That's when you call in this bad boy. Biozyme, plant-based, super concentrated, 1 capful to 7 parts water. Will make for a concentrated solution to tackle this mess. Are you ready?
Breaks down the grease. Naturally. Even tough jobs like this, where it's greased on, baked on. And this dried on casserole.
For more instructions and ingredients, lift here, and you will see that it has lavender oil in it. And now we have a lime scent as well. You can already see the enzymatic action cleaning this dish. And over here, this is coming off like butter now.
At the sink, I will use a dishwashing liquid. Again, concentrate it with aloe vera to not dry your hands out. And our netted dishcloth, the dishcloth that never smells, or my handy dandy Enviro scrub. So for this strainer, the Biozyme has been on there, and it literally is coming off. This is dried on, and it's literally coming off in no time flat. Voila. Done, and it didn't even have to hit the dishwater. This plate and dishes, sitting overnight. There you go. Your dishes are clean. And again, this netted dishcloth, finished.
And now to tackle this, it has been sprayed with our concentrated Biozyme and has been sitting for a few minutes. You can see that it is coming off literally like butter. Underneath here, wow, that's just my fingers. We take the cloth. Some of these are stains from before, but I'm telling you, it is gone.
Now before I put it in the water, let's just see what happens. The spoon is clean, like butter. And same with this. It literally, voila, it is done.
How quick and easy is that? Another place to use our Biozyme, dilute it into the spray bottle, 1 part Biozyme, 7 parts water, is to clean our surfaces like this. And it's soaked for a brief minute. I'm going to use our Enviro scrub. Scrub you on one side. Plant-based, enzymatic, safe, non-toxic, safe for all food prep surfaces. Flip this over and wipe clean. I'll tackle this with cleaning paste later, but for the most part, the stove is clean.
Oh, and when you forget a dish, no problem. Spray on some of your Biozyme. Wrap your netted dishcloth. You actually really like that I don't have to put this in dirty dishwater. And it'll make it sparkle and clean. Just rinse.